it when we start him on his back. Ready? Oh, I'm in his way. It's Colin. He is 4 months old today, I think, or tomorrow, rather. His feet are kind of crooked. There you go. And he started walking. Let's see if he'll do it again. Go on, buddy. There you go. Can you do it? Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, we're getting tired. Whoa. Oh. You want to try again? Let's wait till you're ready to try again. Well, if anything, this will get him back to sleep.
Yeah.
It's late. It's probably 11 o'clock. He was sleeping. Oh, here he goes.
Back up.
No, yes. Let's see it. Get your feet crooked again. There we go. Walk. Keep going. Let's go, buddy. You got it. You got it. There you go. Other foot. Other foot. Boom. Oh. Give it one more go. See if he does. Yep, there he goes. He pulls himself up. We don't pull him. He just uses our hands as leverage. Can you walk, buddy?
You're more interested in the camera.
Yeah, I know. I figured once we brought the camera into the equation, he would stop immediately. That's always how it goes. Oh, good job. Good job, buddy. There you go. Yeah. Other foot. Other foot. There you go. Good job. Now the other one. Now the other one. Whoa.
Good job,
Good
Colin.
job, sweetie.
Yay.
What a big boy.
Yay.
What a big boy. Oh my goodness.
Happy birthday. 4 months.
A little cruiser.